everybody, you know what day it is. Face Beat Friday. So today we are doing a wedding makeup trial. You all will get to see me prep this bride and give her some ideas for what we will be doing on her wedding day. How exciting! Instead of doing a normal makeup trial, we couldn't decide on what kind of glam she wanted. So on the right side of the face, I'm doing a more natural, glowing bridal glam. And on the left side of her face, we're going to use a little bit more bolder of colors, but it will still be very glowy and bridal. This bride's colors are burgundy and gold, so I did want to incorporate that in her makeup look in some way, but not so much that it takes away from her natural beauty or her dress and hair. Each side of her makeup has little touches that are slightly different just to give her options and range. When it came to her liner, one side I did a bit more of a cat eye, which would be on the bolder side, and the other side I did more of a normal natural line, just so she could see that there's different ways that we could do her face. For her foundation, we used a mix of high-end and drugstore products just so that I could make sure that I tailored the shade to her face. We used MAC Studio Fix as well as the, I believe, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I was really focused on making sure that the products melted into her skin because that's what really gives you that glow and the natural beauty that you look for when doing a bride. On one side of her face, we used the Fenty Trophy Wife highlighter, and on the other side, we used Fenty Sandcastle. Each of them very beautiful highlighters. One is just a bit more glittery. The Trophy Wife is a bit more glittery than the other. We did not use lashes, falsies on her trial, but on the day of, we will have lashes for her. You got to save some special touches for the day of. This is the end of her makeup trial. Each side of her face had elements that she loved. So I'm going to take those elements and blend them together to make her perfect bridal sleigh. With either side, I think her skin is glowing and I'm super excited for her big day. Thanks for tuning in, you guys, and we'll see you next time. Peace.